What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the 1 Million Lucky by Paco Rabanne. This amazing perfume with a really creative bottom with some nasty fragrance and really fresh. It has an amazing fixation on the body and even on your clothes. I also would recommend this fragrance for daily uses because it's not so sweet like the normal perfumes by Paco Rabanne. It has some woody notes and it's really different from the normal 1 Million, the really famous perfume. It's like a new release using other notes but keeping the remarkable and fresh fragrance. Have a look at the bottom because it do need to have the clip art. This gold symbol that ensure that your perfume is original. It's really good perfume with a really creative look. I do recommend for everyone. Just keep in mind it's different from the original perfume, the original 1 Million, with a more nasty, fresh air. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and our YouTube channel for more unboxing videos. And I see you later. All the best!